Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're tuning for the first time, where have you been, darling? You're welcome to LiQWYD, aka.prestige. I want to say thank you to all my returning subscribers, and I want to say welcome to all my newly subscribers that are subscribing to this channel. So guys, in today's video I'm going to be sharing with us my routine on how I keep my face healthy or healthier with raw honey. Basically, you know, raw honey helps balance bacteria on the skin, which makes it one essential skin food that we need to be using. So I'll be showing us how I apply it. So guys, all I'll be doing now is just to wash my face with my soap. Just apply the soap on my face. You can see, just wash it off with some water. It could be warm water. If you're okay with warm water, fine. Whichever temperature of water you want to use, be it hot, cold or warm, it's okay. All I'll just do is I'll damp my face because honey is sticky. I just damp my face with my towel. After damping my face, we'll move to the next, which is applying of my honey. Just get a good quantity in my hands. Just apply on my face, like just apply it evenly. And when you're applying it, you try to massage it into your skin in order for it to penetrate into your skin for an effective result. Like you blend it, massage it into your skin to give you that end result or effect you want to get from it. Okay, so all I just did was I just applied properly on my skin. We all know that honey is very essential to the skin, especially when the honey is raw. All I'll do now is to wash my face off. Yay! I'll just wash my face off. The honey was on my face for like 5 minutes before I washed it off. So now that it's washed, I will wipe my face properly, like properly with my towel. Yeah, you can see. Gee. Wipe my face properly. Like if you can do it every day, if you're consistent, if you want results fast, like quickly, you can do it every day. So the next thing I'm going to do is just to apply my moisturizing cream or lotion, whatever you feel you're okay with to apply on your face in order to keep your face moist. You can do that. So I'll just apply my moisturizing cream on my face to keep my face fresh. So basically guys, that's all I do when it comes to applying honey marks on my face. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please, if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, comment